Alright folks, welcome back. This video comes to you from a channel called Jersey Watcher. Now this is one of my favorite YouTube channels. I've learned a lot from this guy and many of you have as well. Since Jersey Watcher's channel has been premiered on my channel, we've seen more folks picking up cameras and going into their public meetings and asking questions and holding their public officials accountable. This is what we need to see, folks. The Rodney King beating was recorded by somebody with the camera. Since then, we've seen a lot of videos where people stumble upon checkpoints and they get upset that their rights are being violated. Since then, we've seen people picking up cameras, going out and recording police out in the streets. And then came First Amendment audits when people started going inside government installations, recording and asking questions. And now what we're seeing is people going into the public meetings and demanding accountability and transparency. How are we supposed to hold public officials accountable if we can't ask questions? You guys are absolutely going to love this video because these public officials are asking the cops to remove somebody, but the cops do not listen, folks. Watch this video all the way through. You're going to absolutely love it. Go subscribe to Jersey Watcher's channel. Let them know that I sent you. I'll drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Here we go, folks.
I know you very well. Okay? How many times did you follow the
About
rules?
this resolution.
All right?
You can come back and talk about the others. Right
Well,
now, it's this resolution.
Believe me,
Whether
Jerry,
you like it or
you'll
not.
see my face very soon.
That's fine, that's fine.
Make
I know
sure,
who you are too, so
Do
it
you-
doesn't really matter.
do you follow the rules? Make sure he answers that question. Do you follow the rules?
So, yeah, so the
He was afraid to
lawyer-
answer Akhil, but he just immediately jumped on him. I
So-
mean, you should answer everybody's question. If you are entering somebody's discussion,
Excuse
then
me,
you should
you
answer
don't
also.
talk, you don't talk like that. You wanna talk, you have your turn to go to the podium.
Jerry, this is a dictatorship.
You are
That's
telling
not the rule.
This is a
That's
dictatorship.
the rule.
Yes.
What is
This is
doing?
a
Answer something.
You are not answering his rule.
Sir, sir, how many times come over here? Excuse me.
Anybody's question and you are not answer single.
I can answer it, I don't have to answer it, because the law is right, okay? I'm answering after he finishes his question. That's the rule, that's what we do. Excuse me. No back and forth, Akio.
You didn't
Okay.
answer my question. I was standing there.
Whether you like or not, I answer. You just don't like the answer, that's what it is. To answer your question, he represents the board. I'm the board chair, I conduct the meeting, that's what it is.
First of all, this meeting. is
Excuse
illegal.
me? No more. If I see you one more time, you're out. Akio?
Yeah, that's what you can do.
Take him out. Take him out. Sir, how many times come over here? Excuse me.
Anybody's question and you are not answer single.
I can answer it, I don't have to answer it, because the law just said, okay? I'm answering after he finishes his question. That's the rule, that's what we need. Excuse me. No back and forth, Akio?
You
Okay.
didn't answer my question. I was standing there.
Whether you like or not, I answer it. You just don't like the answer, that's what it is. To answer your question, he represents the board. I'm the board chair, I conduct the meeting, that's what it is.
First of all, this meeting. is
Excuse
illegal.
me? No more. If I see you one more time, you're out. Akio,
Yeah, that's what you can do.
take him out. Take him out.
I move up here. Take out a keel. I don't like it.
I love the ball, but
one's touching the ball.
What's the problem?
remove Akio.
For what purpose?
He's distracting me.
He's a physical interference in the meeting?
It's trespassing. He has a right to control who's in the room. It's a defiant trespass.
Has he been notified he's not allowed in the room?
Well, he just was told that he has to leave, and he hasn't left.
But he's allowed to be here as the public, correct?
Not anymore. No, once the board...
Is he physically interfering with the meeting?
He doesn't
Yes,
have
he-
to physically interfere.
Right. If you read the statute, he does have to.
I'm not talking about obstruction of a public meeting. I'm talking about the defiant trespass statute.
Right.
He's a trespasser in this meeting.
He's not trespassing.
He is.
No, he's not. Then you guys can sign complaints.
It's his due...
You guys can sign complaints then at a later date and time against him if you want.
It's the board...
We're not
president-
removing him.
It's the board president's decision as to who can be in the room or not. If someone's here against his will, it's their trespasser, they have to be removed.
Because he was at warrant twice. You heard him.
Yeah, but he's not interfering with the meeting.
But he is.
He's not. He's not physically interfering.
The way that we're conducting the meeting.
He's disrupting the meeting.
He's
No, he's
disrupting
not.
the meeting.
No, he's not. There's case law out of Manville with people that are yelling in the meeting and they say something just like that, get him out. And he was exonerated of
He
it.
was a warrant. He was a warrant twice.
I'm not removing him. He's not physically interfering with the meeting. He's allowed to be upset and raise his voice and say his opinion. He's not being removed from the meeting. He's not physically interfering with the meeting. It's being recorded on body camera right now.
Okay,
Me
and that's
telling
fine,
you.
it's being recorded, I'm just gonna let you know that I have to have a conversation with the chief tomorrow because that's totally inappropriate.
That's fine.
The board chair has the right to run the meeting.
Do what you think. Do what you think you need to do then, right?
He's standing up for the Americans' rights today. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Come ask the details. You're wasting time, okay? About this particular one. Because the direction from the AG's office, we cannot disclose it. As I said, once it's filed, it's a public.
Can you show me the letter?
Once it's filed,
Can you?
excuse me, you got your time to go there to answer. Excuse me, what are you saying? What are you saying? Why China have anything to do with this? Is that because I'm Chinese? No, why does that have anything to do with China?
Don't talk anything, don't talk anything.
That's the direction from the AG's office. If you have
Show me
issue,
the latest.
there's no, excuse me. You wanna come here, you follow the rule.
Cristo started going to these public meetings just to see what he could learn about his community. Immediately, they tried violating his rights. So he started to do some research. He found a bunch of case laws that allowed him to continue to speak. So what happens, folks? They decide to try to find other ways to stop him from speaking. But Jersey Watcher doesn't let up. He actually decided to run for mayor. He didn't win that election, but that's okay. He got more votes than he even expected. But this also makes the mayor, Sam Joshi, his political opponent. And Jersey Watcher has been able to catch Sam Joshi doing some questionable things while in office. The current mayor of Edison, New Jersey, Sam Joshi, has been using the police to try to intimidate Cristo. Right now, Cristo is facing some charges, and the judge put a stipulation that he's not allowed to post on social media. But I want you guys to know that Cristo plans on posting on his social media as soon as he gets the opportunity. So if you guys would please be so kind to go over to his channel, subscribe, binge watch some of his videos. It'll definitely help keep his algorithm going. I really do appreciate all the support that you guys give me and the channels that I present to you as well. With that being said, if you guys have videos you want us to look at, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Copy your links and paste it there. Please let us know if you want us to highlight your channels or if you want us to keep you anonymous. Try to leave as much information as possible so that we could present the video and we can include that information. Thank you all for tuning in. Go subscribe to Jersey Watcher. Let them know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Peace.